Jennifer here. I am one of the territory managers for Stahls, and we are going to spend a little bit of time together decorating heat transfer vinyl on hats. I'm sure a lot of you have seen our videos utilizing the Hotronix 360 with our dimensional patches and emblems. Well, I'm going to spend a little bit of time with you walking you through how to successfully apply heat transfer vinyl. Great alternative option to headwear, a little bit more cost effective, lower quantity minimums, great alternative to just kind of give that wow to headwear. So come on in a little bit closer, let's dive in and I'll show you how to. This is our Hotronix 360 IQ cap press. For this demonstration using heat transfer vinyl, we want to make sure our top heat is at 280, our bottom heat is at 320. Our dwell time is at 45 seconds, and our pressure is at a 6. Don't panic because it says a 1 here. We have set it to be at a 6, so when we engage with our hat, our foam pad, and our emblem, or our heat transfer vinyl, we are going to be at a 6. So let's get started. I've got an AutoCap 6-panel unstructured dad style hat. I'm going to make sure I get my sweatband out, load it from the back, just pop it on there real easily. I'm going to get it kind of situated here, make sure that my bill is not impeding my upper platen, that I've got nice coverage on the crown of my hat, and then I'm going to use my spring load to kind of get it nice and tight on my hat. We've got a really adorable little Chroma Bling heat transfer vinyl that we have already pre-cut and weeded. I'm going to place it right here in the center of the crown of my hat, making sure that it's centered onto my bottom platen. And because it's not super tacky, I'm just going to hold it down probably for about less than 10 seconds or so. Make sure I'm activating that adhesive so that it doesn't slip around on me. I'm going to take my thinnest 1/8" white foam pad that comes with my 360 IQ, place it down, and we're going to engage for 45 seconds. Pressure readout is a little high at an 8. It's okay, don't panic. It's not going to hurt the hat or the heat transfer vinyl, but for the next one, I might tick down my pressure just slightly to get it back down to a 6. You can only do that when the upper heating element is disengaged. You cannot adjust the pressure when the machine is engaged. This product is a peel cool, so we're going to set this hat aside and let it cool down before we peel. And then I'll move on to our other fun heat transfer products. Automatic release. And we're just going to set this aside, but you can see no scorching, no creasing, 6-panel unstructured dad hat. For our next hat, we're going to use a foam front trucker hat, snapback mesh, with our very popular Glitter Flake CAD-CUT Glitter Flake heat transfer vinyl. You just want to make sure that you get your cardboard out of your hat. Again, pulling your sweatband forward, load it from the side back, you get it right on there. Now with these foam fronts or anything that's a little bit more structured, I like to kind of heat the crown of my hat up a little bit. You can move it back and forth just a little bit. I can see it, or I can feel it's preheating beautifully. Once I know I've got it nicely in place, I'll use my spring load to keep everything nice and tight. I'm going to take my Glitter Flake heat transfer vinyl, line it up right in the center. Again, now this is tacky, this has a tacky liner, but I'm just going to hold it on there about 5 seconds or so. Let the adhesive start to activate so that it doesn't shift or slip on me before I place my thinnest 1/8" white foam pad down. Again, 45 seconds. Common theme with these products is they all are going to apply at 45 seconds with your top heat at 280, your bottom heat at 320. That's a very easy recipe or formula, very consistent, never needs to change, with your thinnest white foam pad. This product is a hot peel, so when the machine automatically disengages, we can go ahead and hot peel that product for you. Great. We're going to pull our lever forward, remove our hat, and you have a really cute CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl glitter flake product on a foam front trucker hat. Next, we are going to showcase a 6-panel structured flex fit hat. Great hat. I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate CAD-CUT Soft Foam textured heat transfer vinyl. This is a great option, gives you some dimension, great alternative to a patch or an emblem. I'm actually going to showcase it on the side panel there just to give you guys a little bit of a different viewpoint. Making sure your sweatband is always out. Load your hat on there. Once I get it nice and even, I make sure my bill is pulled out of the way. I can load it. Great thing about this press is it's naturally preheating the hat from the bottom heat. Let's see where we can get it here. I'm going to put it right there. Again, it's got a little bit of a tacky liner, not too much, so I'm going to hold it on there, kind of preheat or pre-melt that adhesive, activate the adhesive a little bit so that it stays put for me and doesn't shift on me when I go to grab my 1/8 inch foam pad. We'll pop that pad on there. 45-second dwell. This product is also a peel cool or cold product, so we can set that aside and peel that cool. 45-second dwell, 1/8 inch thinnest white foam pad, 280 on the top, 320 on the bottom, and this just gives you a great alternative to patches and emblems to be able to do quick turn, low quantity minimums at a really cost-effective price point, but still getting some really fun, unique finishes and looks on your headwear. Great, we're going to set this one aside to peel cool. Okay, we have our CAD-CUT Chroma Bling heat transfer vinyl. This is a peel cool, peel cold product. We're just going to take it. Beautiful, beautiful finish, adds a little pop, got some shift going on, just a great all-around fun heat transfer vinyl for headwear. Adds a great pop of color, pop of design. Next, we have our soft foam, CAD-CUT Soft Foam textured dimensional heat transfer vinyl. Again, just a really fun, different, unique heat transfer vinyl. Great alternative to patches and emblems. Gives you that dimension and lift. Really brand elevating. You can get really fun and unique with different placements on the 360 IQ cap press and your headwear. Great alternative. So you have seen these fun different looks using CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl on our 360 IQ cap press. Just a reminder, 280 degrees on the top heat, 320 degrees on the bottom heat, 45-second dwell using our thinnest 1/8 inch foam pad to successfully decorate any of your hats using our heat transfer vinyl. You've got some great looks here at great price points, quick turnaround times, low quantity minimums. Items like our beautiful Chroma Bling on your unstructured dad hat, our CAD-CUT glitter flake on your foam front trucker hat, and last but not least, our CAD-CUT Soft Foam textured on our structured 6-panel hat. Again, doing it on a slightly different location on a side panel, just fun, different ways to offer decoration to your customers. For all of these looks and finishes, be sure to check out the links below in the description. Make sure you subscribe, follow, and like us. Thank you so much.